Hey, Antonio, quick question. What is a risk that every man should take in his life?
A risk? A risk on love. There's so many guys like they're scared, like, oh, like she's gonna break my heart, or she's obviously, it's like, I don't know. There's this war between men and women, and it's like, dude, what are you talking about? It's like if you win, if it's kind of like that long tail, like Grand Slam.
Yo.
Yo, dude.
So I got a question for you.
So
what is a risk that every man should take in his lifetime?
At first, I kind of first think about just hitting on girls and stuff. I don't know why that was the first thing I thought of. I'm pretty sure that's like the most constant, because everyone else has like different things. Like some people it might be a business thing, but some people don't give a shit about business. And
yeah.
But everyone has to get laid.
Yo, question. What is a risk that every man should take in his lifetime?
Doing something that you're scared of.
Give me an example. Give me an example.
It could be approaching a girl at the bar. It could be asking a girl to dance. It could be learning how to dance. It could be starting a business. It could be going to the gym. It could be talking to someone, depending on where your fear baseline is. But you have to exercise. I think it's a muscle. You have to exercise approaching and doing things that you're scared of, so that your courage muscle gets bigger than your fear muscle. You're always going to be afraid, but if you can make your courage muscle bigger, you will do bigger things and realize that you can get through it, and that will help, I believe, you become a better man.
What's up, gentlemen? So you've got a choice to make. Are you going to live boldly and courageously, or are you going to play it safe? If you expect to live an extraordinary life, you've got to be willing to push down the fear and jump. Take the chance, take the shot, take the risk. Today, guys, I'm going over my list of some risks that every man should take in his lifetime. Number one is say yes, right? And I'm going to start there because this is one of the more difficult things that we do, right? We get comfortable, we get complacent. And when somebody asks us to do something or we have an opportunity, our knee-jerk reaction is to say no. When the truth is that by saying yes, you're going to expose yourself to new experiences, new people, and new opportunities. Which brings me to number two, which is say no to people you shouldn't be saying yes to. There's nothing wrong with wanting to make somebody happy or wanting people to like you, but when you do that at a detriment to you or your time or your spirit or your integrity, this is something that you need to basically say no. And the truth is that when you say no, it's risky because you may risk losing friends, which brings me to number three, and that is risk losing toxic friends. One of the things that is very difficult to do because it's scary is to say, I can't hang out with you anymore, or remove yourself from somebody's life. When the truth is that if there's somebody in your life that is not good for you, it's not bringing you joy or fulfillment or lifting you up, but rather tearing you down and making you feel worse about you, get rid of them. Number four is grow a beard or facial hair or a stash. All right, experiment with your looks, all right? Give yourself the permission to say, you know what? I don't know what this thing's gonna look like on my face, but I'm gonna do it. And when somebody comes up to you and is like, oh, are you growing a beard? Instead of being like, oh no, I just didn't shave, be like, fuck yeah, I'm growing it. What do you think? Which brings me to number five. Gentlemen, those locks, let it grow out. Every dude should have medium length hair at some point. I'm not saying to go all like long ass, like Jason Momoa action, because you'll probably look a little bit scuzzy. You also probably don't want to have like super long hair. But let those locks run wild, like spawning salmon up the Capistrano, gentlemen. Let that bad boy flow, because the truth is that you may notice that A, you look sexier, and B, you tried something different, and C, it feels good to look better and try something different. Which brings me to number six. Sorry, that was a Freudian slip. Six, because I got actually some of the sex because I was wearing Icon, the new fragrance. And the next risk you should take, which is try a new fragrance. That was a weird way to get into it, but here's the deal. Quick promotion, gentlemen. The truth is, Icon, the new fragrance from Pete and Pedro, is sexy as hell. Inspired by one of my all-time favorite fresh fragrances, which is Creed Millésime Impérial. But instead of $450 a bottle, we're selling this bad boy for under $50. And with that discount code down below, gentlemen, it literally crazy. The deal is crazy. You would be crazy to pass up this deal, and she will be crazy about how sexy you smell when you're rocking the Icon. Gentlemen, here's the deal. real quick, another risk, and I'm just gonna be serious here for a second, that a lot of guys need to make is trying a new fragrance, right? We're gonna talk about style in a second, along with some other things like your career, but the one thing you can do is switch it up, change it up, take the risk, take the shot in order to smell incredible. The truth is, even if you found your signature scent and you're wearing it like every day, and you've even gotten a few compliments on it, people become used to the way that you smell. And so, one of the risks that I would recommend you take is change it up, switch it up, blind buy a fragrance that is sexy as hell. Gentlemen, Icon, the newest edition, is a beast. It is sexy, it is fresh, it is light, and it is perfect for compliments, but also getting those spicy senoritas to be like, damn, I'm gonna go down and give you a BJ.
Hawk.
Hit the link down below, check out Icon, use that limited time discount code to smell sexy as hell. Which brings us to the next risk a man should take, and that is ask her out, take your shot, ask her to dance, go for the girl, is what I'm saying. All right, you never know until you try. And unfortunately, we get so wrapped up in our head and so worried about worst case scenario. And what if she says no? Really? What if she says yes? What if she says yes? Have you thought about that? How would your life change if you were dating somebody that you actually wanted to date? Which brings me to another risk I need to talk about, and that is breaking up with somebody that you know isn't good for you long term. This one is tough. I know because I've been there. And I just can say from experience that when you shed the weight, right? I know it's hard. I know it's going to be an uncomfortable conversation. You're probably going to be sad. You're going to have the urge to like go back and be like, I'm sorry, right? Because you feel bad, you feel lonely. But push it down. Don't do it. Don't go back. Because what's on the other side of loneliness and hurt is something amazing. The person that you were supposed to be with. And sometimes that person you need to be with is yourself for a little while. Which brings me to the next risk. And that is risk being by yourself. Go eat by yourself. Do the deep work on yourself. Invest in yourself. Work out. Take care of yourself. Get in the best shape of your life. If you don't get abs, no big deal. How much better are you going to feel? How much better are you going to look? These are the things that you need to risk. Is it scary? Yeah. Is it uncertain? Absolutely. Is it worth it? Fuck yes. Wear a suit when you don't need to. When you're just going out to dinner, when you're going to a party, and the party's like casual, wear a suit. Maybe lose the tie, a t-shirt underneath, wear a suit. You're gonna feel incredible, you're gonna look amazing, and people are gonna be like, damn, Brian, you look so sexy. You also smell sexy. Thanks, Icon. Go eat by yourself. It's liberating. I know that a lot of people are like, oh my God, the thought of being by myself, like what do I do? Do I just, no. Put your phone down, eat, look around, enjoy yourself. Be present, be centered, be awesome. The next thing is travel. Get out there. Go travel. Go visit places. You're going to expand your horizons. You're also going to see different people, different places, different cultures. It's amazing. Something else that's amazing is moving, like permanently. Take the shot. Take the chance. Move to a different city. Your boy did, right? I'm from Philly. Love Philly, but I really, really, really love Atlanta. And when I moved here, everything in my life kind of got better. Granted, I was young and, well, it couldn't get much worse. Actually, it got worse for a little bit, but you get what I'm saying. Moving to a different city, experiencing a different culture, going, and even if it's just for like a month or a year, move, try it. What do you have to lose? Reinvent yourself, right? What does this mean? This can mean a lot of things to a lot of different people. Maybe it's try a new hobby, try something that scared you, right? Which is something I just want to talk about real quick. Nothing great was ever accomplished because it was easy. The bigger the risk, the bigger reward. You guys have all heard those sayings, right? Well, I am living proof that it's true. When you step out of your own comfort zone and actually take a shot, take a risk, take a chance that's big, sometimes it doesn't work out. Like my fitness center, it didn't work out. Like really bad, it didn't. I even filed bankruptcy and all that good stuff, right? But I took some more shots. I tried something else. I started making videos, right? This scared me. I didn't know if I was going to be good at it. I didn't know what I didn't know. But I just kept doing it. I had reinvented myself. For my entire life, I thought that what success looked like for me was going to be fitness centers and owning gyms. Well, that didn't end up working out. And it's okay. I'm actually glad it didn't, because it led to bigger and better things, and something that truly has filled me with incredible passion, joy, and fulfillment, which is you doing videos and also starting businesses, which is the next risk you should take. Start a business. All right, the truth is financial freedom, it's not for other people, it's for you. Or I should say it's for you if you're willing to take the risk. All right, and this is where I guess I want to kind of wrap this video up. All right, but the truth is, if you expect to be financially free and not have to worry about money, right, it's not because you're going to get a better job, which could potentially be something you should do. And that's, I guess, another bonus is if you're not in a job that you like, go for the job that you love. If you're doing something or working a job that you don't like, take the chance, take the risk, go for that dream job. It might mean you need to go educate yourself, invest in yourself, go to college, do it. Take the chance, take the shot, take the risk. It's worth it. But back to what I was saying about business. One of the things that you will realize, if you start looking around, all the people that have like FU money, that are in all the big houses, typically not working for somebody else. The people that you're seeing are the somebody else that other people are working for, because that person was willing to take the shot, take the risk, and take the chance and start a business. All right, true wealth is developed by owning a business, period. It's how I made my money, right? And I'm in the process of building a really big, expensive house. The other day I was looking at it and I was like, damn, this is crazy. Somebody actually asked me, they go, why are you building such a big, ridiculous house? I said, because I fucking want to, and you only live once.